Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make an API key request on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, orders, products. Right here you're gonna find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're gonna find online store and also apps. And in the bottom, you're gonna find settings. So basically guys, right now is first of all, go to settings. And then once you're here, you're gonna find all of the different settings related to your Shopify store. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments. You're going to find checkouts, customer accounts, shipping and delivery, and so on. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is go to apps and sales channels, give it a click. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Here, you're going to find all of your applications. And in the bottom, in the top, you're going to find develop apps and also Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Develop Apps. And then once you do that, you're going to be here. Click on Allow Custom App Development. Go ahead and click right here again. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. And then once you do that, you're going to be here. So just scroll down and then right here, you're going to find, as you can see, guys, the option for additional access and also develop app with caution. And then here in the top, you're going to find create app, click on it, and then choose a name. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial like this, and then click on create app, and then just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, you're going to be here. So just go to API credentials, and then here you go. As you can see, guys, here, you're going to find your API key. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.